How to fix error 0xc0000142 cmd.exe in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. First of all, uninstall GameWar. This method has fixed the issue for many users, so follow it. You can see the GameWar installed on your computer. Go to Start, Settings, System. Click on System Components. Here is GameWar. You have to uninstall this app. To uninstall, click on Search, type PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Yes. Go to the video description. In the video description, you will find a command, PowerShell command. Copy the command from the description, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. The GameWar will be uninstalled. GameWar is removed. Close the settings app, then close the PowerShell and then restart your computer. Then check if the application error is solved. If the issue still occurs, run SFC and DISM tools. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on the result, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes, go to the video description. In the video description, you will find this command. Copy from there, paste into the command prompt and hit enter. Again go to the video description and copy the DISM command, paste into the command prompt and press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and restart your computer. The issue should be fixed now. If the issue still persists, uninstall and reinstall the latest version of Visual C++. Click on the link having the version compatible with your device. Let the exe file download. Once completed, click on the exe file, click on uninstall, click on yes, close, then again go to the exe file, click on it, check this box, click on install, yes, close, restart your computer and see if the problem is solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.